We now know that breastfeeding exclusively is important in the first 6 months of life. For each month that a mother breastfeeds her baby, the risk of obesity for that child goes down by 4%. Babies that are breastfed also have a lower risk of things like diabetes and some childhood cancers. There are even benefits for the mom. Women who breastfeed have lower incidence of osteoporosis, lower incidence of ovarian cancer and breast cancer. And I think women who breastfeed and do it as long as they want to really feel good about it.
I love it. I think the bonding that comes from nursing your baby is really unparalleled, and it took a long time for me to really realize and understand that, because in the beginning it is a little bit of a learning curve and it can be a struggle, and you know, nursing moms are troopers because at some point or other you're going to have dealt with something that you've had to really work through, and so it took a while for that to gel, but it's lovely and I wouldn't give it up for the world.
The specific initiative, Make Breastfeeding Your Business, is to work with people in the community, to work with governments, businesses, organizations, to help them become supportive of breastfeeding mothers. It certainly seems like it should be a human right, and we're very lucky here in Nova Scotia to actually have legislation that says that women can breastfeed basically anywhere and everywhere.
It would be really nice to get to a point where breastfeeding really is normalized in our society, because there's a lot of more talk about it now, but we're still a long way from women being able to just have it be a non-issue, and that's where I would like to see it go. It's not something that you even have to advocate for. It's just a non-issue. If you want to feed your baby somewhere, you just feed your baby.
And we've been reaching out to a lot of businesses and organizations. We've been doing presentations and working with them to create breastfeeding policies and help them decide if they need to have a private space for mothers. I'm really pleased with what we've been able to accomplish. We have over, I believe it's 83 different partners, and we've really got a warm reception when we've gone out and approached people. And I think people realize that this is something important, providing this support to our breastfeeding families. And I'm hoping too that they realize that it really has an effect on the community, because we're really saving health dollars by supporting breastfeeding. Breastfed babies get sick less, they have less visits to the doctor, less hospitalizations, less medications. So overall, it's less of an impact on our whole health system. So it's something that all of us can participate in. It doesn't cost any money, and it's really a win-win for all of us.